almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a weed. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather around her. Miner's lady, stranger to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning out she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. While I'm driving down the road I get the feeling that I should. I've been home yesterday, yesterday. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.
Hi, I'm Gordon Glenwood. This is our property here. It's 130 hectares. We milk 270 cows. We run a little bit higher stocking rate than most people, but then we like to feed the cows better. We do up to about 700 a cow, normally somewhere around 600 plus per cow. Good farm, been well fertilised. Also P level on the farm is 80, just over 80 on average over the whole property. What else I can say?
I've been home yesterday, yesterday. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.